Well, good morning, guys. So today we are visiting Banff, Alberta. It's a beautiful city in El- in Canada. And since we came here for a couple days, I forgot to bring my remote starter key fob with me. So I thought I'd do a quick video on how to remote start your Mazda with the factory key fob. So all you need to do is, okay, so let's talk about this key fob first. Okay, so here I have my lock, unlock, trunk, and panic button. So in order for you to remote start your car using this key fob, is you just press the lock button 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. And that starts your car. Now, same thing, if you want to turn off your car using your Mazda's key fob here, is you would press the lock button again 3 times. And that turns off the car. All right, so that was it for this quick little video. I will see you in the next one.